Hello and welcome to Shiksha. Today in this part, we will discuss about questions related to Manikya dynasty. So let's start. Question 1. Which king of Tripura shifted the capital from Udaipur to Old Agartala and when? And the options are option A. Ratnamanikya II in 1622 AD. Option B. Krishna Kishore Manikya in 1704 AD. Option C. Narendra Manikya in 1687 AD. And option D. Krishna Manikya in 1761 AD. And the right answer is option D. Krishna Manikya in 1761 AD. Question 2. Who constructed Chaturdash Devata temple and when? And the options are Dhanya Manikya in 1501. Option B. Krishna Kishore Manikya in 1761. Option C. Narendra Manikya in 1687. And option D. Bir Chandra Manikya in 1871. And the right answer is option B. Krishna Kishore Manikya in 1761. Question 3. When did Krishna Manikya died? And the options are option A. 1780 AD. Option B. 1778 AD. Option C. 1761 AD. And option D. 1783 AD. And the right answer is option D. 1783 AD. Question 4. Which king saved Tripura from Hussain Shah? And the options are option A. Dhanya Manikya. Option B. Vijay Manikya. Option C. Ratnamanikya II. And option D. Dharmamanikya II. And the right answer is option A. Dharmamanikya. Question 5. Who built the Ujjainta palace? And the options are Bir Chandra Manikya. Option B. Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. Option C. Radha Kishore Manikya. And option D. Radharaman Ghosh. And the right answer is option C. Radha Kishore Manikya. Question 6. Who built Nir Mahal? And the options are option A. Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. Option B. Radha Kishore Manikya. Option C. Krishna Kishore Manikya. And option D. Ratnamanikya. And the right answer is option A. Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya. Question 7. Who became the king of Tripura after the death of Ishan Chandra Manikya? And the options are Bir Chandra Manikya in 1862. Option B. Krishna Manikya in 1761. Option C. Radha Kishore Manikya in 1901. And option D. Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya in 1935. And the right answer is option A. Bir Chandra Manikya in 1862. Question 8. Who changed the name of capital of Tripura from Rangamati to Udaipur? And the options are option A. Dhanya Manikya. Option B. Uday Manikya. Option C. Amar Manikya. And option D. Vijay Manikya II. And the right answer is option B, Udaymanikkya. Question 9. Who became the king of Tripura after Udaymanikkya? And the options are Joymanikya, option B, Udaymanikkya, option C, Kalyanmanikya, and option D, Vijayamanikya. And the right answer is option A, Joymanikya. Question 10. Ani-Akbari by Abul Fazl mentions about which king of Tripura? And the options are option A, Vijayamanikya, option B, Yashodhar Manikya, option C, Vijayamanikya II, and option D, none of above. And the right answer is option A, Vijayamanikya. Question 11. Which king of Tripura helped the British during World War I? And the options are option A, Krishna Kishore Manikya, option B, Birendra Kishore Manikya, option C, Radha Kishore Manikya, and option D, Ishwar Chandra Manikya. And the right answer is option B, Birendra Kishore Manikya. Question 12. Which king is known as Vikramaditya of Tripura? And the options are option A, Birendra Kishore Manikya, option B, Ratnamanikya II, option C, Bir Bikram Kishore Manikya, and option D, Bir Chandra Manikya. And the right answer is option A, Birendra Kishore Manikya. Question 13. The first part of Rajmala was written during the regime of which king of Tripura? And the options are option A, Amar Manikya, option B, Dharma Manikya, option C, Govinda Manikya, and option D, Krishna Kishore Manikya. And the right answer is option B, Dharma Manikya. Question 14. The sixth part of Rajmala was written during the regime of which king of Tripura? And the options are option A, Krishna Kishore Manikya, option B, Dharma Manikya, option C, Amar Manikya, and option D, Govinda Manikya. And the right answer is option A, Krishna Kishore Manikya. Question 15. During whose tenure Champak Vijay was written? And the options are option A, Dharmanikya II, option B, Ratnamanikya II, option C, Ratnamanikya, and option D, Devmanikya. And the right answer is option B, Ratnamanikya II. Question 16. Which king of Tripura started the use of coin for the first time? And the options are option A, Ratnamanikya, option B, Bikram Kishore Manikya, option C, Govinda Manikya, and option D, Vijayamanikya. And the right answer is option A, Ratnamanikya. Question 17. During the period of which king Tripura Civil Services exam was first introduced? And the options are option A, Bir Chandra Manikya, option B, Radhakishore Manikya, option C, Ratna Manikya, and option C, none of them. And the right answer is option C, Ratna Manikya. Question 18. The first king of Tripura who adopted Manikya title, and the options are option A, Chamthumfa, option B, Jujarufa, option C, Ishwarfa, and option D, none of them. And the right answer is option A, Chamthumfa. Question 19. Who built Tripureshwari temple and when? And the options are Dharmamanikya II in 1525, option B, Ratnamanikya in 1532, option C, Udaymanikya in 1665, and option D, Dharmamanikya in 1501. And the right answer is option B, Dharmamanikya in 1501. Question 20. Which king took initiative for tea cultivation in Tripura? And the options are option A, Radhakishore Manikya, option B, Bir Vikram Kishore Manikya, option C, Birendra Kishore Manikya, and option D, Ishwar Chandra Manikya. And the right answer is option C, Birendra Kishore Manikya. Question 21. Who signed the merger agreement of Tripura with Indian Union? And the options are option A, Janvi Devi on 9th September 1961, option B, Kanchan Prabha Devi on 9th September 1949, option C, Kamala Devi on 9th September 1947, and option D, none of these. And the right answer is option B, Maharani Kanchan Prabha Devi on 9th September in 1949. So this is it from this part. Hope you get some informations. Stay tuned for the next part. And if you like our videos, please kindly subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.